Hey guys, it's Michael here with another Wise Agent tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the most use out of your import-export page. Before we get started, if you're new to Wise Agent, just curious about our platform, or even already a member, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on another Wise Agent video. Now, efficient data management is crucial in real estate, and Wise Agent's import-export tool is here to make your life easier. Whether you're migrating data from another CRM, organizing your contacts, or preparing for a targeted marketing campaign, this tool is a game changer. To get started, head to the Contacts dropdown and select the Import-Export option. Select the method you would like to import your contacts from. If you're confused or don't see what you need available, reach out to our support team and they can walk you through it. To see an example CSV, select this option. For example, let's continue with the Wise Agent option. Upload your CSV files. Select the method of import, assign contacts to an inside team member, choose a category to put them in, and add a source so you know where these contacts came from. Adding a category and a source will help keep your CRM organized. The source will let you know where the leads came from, and adding a category will help you find the contacts and add them to a marketing campaign if needed. You can also add an outside team member to these contacts. This is primarily used for brokers who have outside team members and want to track leads. After you label your accepted columns, click Import. Now, it will show you if there were any duplicates and how many contacts were added. You can also export contacts with Wise Agent. Choose your parameters and search for your contacts. You can select them individually or click this box to select them all. If you have any questions, please contact our award-winning customer support team at 480-836-0345. Thanks for watching.